In this video, I'll be showing you how to track running with Google Fit app. So go ahead and open Google Fit. And before we start tracking your running activity, you need to have some settings enabled. And this is quite easy to do. What you want to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this. Now on this page, you want to scroll down till you find tracking preferences. Here you see track your activity and use your location. You want to make sure that this tool is toggled on. With track your activity, Google Fit will be able to use your phone sensor to track metrics like steps and distance in the background. And use your location. Google Fit will include a map with the activity. Once you have this tool on, the next thing is to enable your device location. Simply enable your device location and then you're ready to start an activity. What you want to do is scroll down till you find try pace walking. Now tap on this and this will take you to start an activity. By default, here you'll find pace walking. Tap on the drop down in this section and then you want to scroll till you find running. Tap and select running and you'll be able to start running. You can also get here when you tap on the plus icon on your dashboard and you see track workout. Tap on track workout and this will get you started with an activity. Once you're ready to start the activity, tap on the play button and this will start with the countdown. Here you'll be able to see a preview of the area you're covering in your map, the time you spent running, the total distance you've covered, the heart point you've earned, energy you've burned while running, and the total amount of steps. At any point during your activity, if you wish to pause the activity, you can tap on the pause button here. You can also continue, and then if you're done with an activity, you can tap on the stop button here, and this will stop the activity and update the information to your Google Fit account. Now, if you want to view your data at any point, you can tap on the journal section on your dashboard, and this will show you all the activities you've carried out with the Google Fit app. Simply tap on the activity and you'll be able to view details of the activity. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and have the post notification turned on.